Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use your anvil in Minecraft and also some anvil trick that maybe you should know. So without any long intro, let's get right into it. Anvil is one of the important items in Minecraft. You can use it to rename your item, repair a broken armor, and also to combine enchantment. I will show you how to do those three. To rename your item, just simply put the item at the first slot and just rename it. Easy. To repair your armor, or maybe you can also repair tools like pickaxe and also axe, just put the armor at the first slot and just put the material of the armor, which in my case is diamond, and put it at the second slot. And now I have the fully repaired armor. As simple as that. Most of you guys use anvil the wrong way. Now, let me combine the enchantment for my diamond sword. As you guys already can see, it cost 129 level. Just very expensive. And this is the wrong way how to do it, and now I'm gonna show you the right way how to do it. Now, pay attention because it's kinda complicated for some people. If I combine these two books over here, and this book right now has 1 anvil uses. Now, this book has 3 anvil uses, and this book has 0 anvil uses. If I put the 3 anvil uses at the first slot and then the 0 anvil uses at the second slot, this book now has 1 anvil uses. But if I flip this, now it is 4 anvil uses. Yep, it's weird, but I will show you the math. The math is actually quite simple. The first slot is always counted as 1. No matter how many anvil uses it is, it's counted as 1. At the second slot, it is counted as the number of the anvil uses. So now, I will take the previous example. I have 3 anvil uses book and also 0 anvil uses book. If I put the 3 anvil uses at the first slot, remember, it's always counted as 1. So 1, and this is 0. If I put it at the second slot, which means it's 1 plus 0. So now, this book is counted as 1 anvil uses. But, if I flip them, remember, the first slot is always 1. So 1 plus the number of anvil uses. This book has 3 anvil uses. So 1 plus 3 is 4. That's why this book has 4 anvil uses. You can see the difference of the level. 11 and 24, which is a lot. I hope you get the idea of what I'm talking about. Now, if you use this trick, this is how many level it costs to make a perfect diamond sword. And now, as you guys can see, it costs 61 level, which is a really big difference compared to 129 level. If you still don't understand, just rewatch the video. Number 1. Renaming your armor and tools. Now, we like to play with our friends in Minecraft, and sometimes we accidentally exchange our armor and tools. So what you have to do is to just simply rename them. And there you go, you have renamed them. This next one is a pretty nice and funny prank that you can try it with your friends. If you put the TNT over here and put Anvil above the TNT and put the redstone torch which light the TNT like that, the TNT explode without breaking other blocks around them. This is a pretty nice prank because your friend will have a heart attack for a second. Number 3. Anvil durability. You can use Anvil for about 25 times before it destroyed. It can be much less or much more, depend on how lucky you are. Number 4. This is actually pretty common because you can just decorate your own torch and just put torch and put frame behind the torch in the same block and just put Anvil, and you make this like kinda torch holder or something, and yeah, it looks pretty cool actually. The last one, renaming stack. This is a very simple thing, but still, a lot of people do not know this. You can actually just rename a stack of block or any other item. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you feel this content is helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share this video to all your friends and family, comment down below what next content should I make, and I hope you have a great day and please be focused.